once we have the top section of this letter done, it's now time to start typing in our body, which is right here. So go ahead and pause the video, type in this first sentence all the way up to the word gift. Okay, now that you have all of that typed in, we are going to make sure, number one, first and foremost, we have a double space or blank line in between each body paragraph. But it's going to say thank you for the gift. And each person got us a different gift. Someone got us school supplies, someone got us money. We want to personalize each letter. What we'll do to kind of personalize everything is we're going to use one of the options over here, which is going to be more items. So where it says thank you for the, we want to make sure we have a space in between the word the, select more items, and the fields from your data source are going to come up, and we're going to highlight gift. Then select insert, and you're going to see that come into the body of your letter. Click on close. We're going to close that off with a period, because that is how the format of the letter appears here. And then you're going to go ahead and write in the rest of this sentence. I am certain it will be useful in the future. I hope to see you again when I celebrate my college graduation. So go ahead and type that in. Pause the video if you need to. After the body paragraph, we hit enter 2 times. We will type our complimentary close, which in this case is going to be sincerely. We are using open punctuation, meaning there is no comma after that. And again, I will hit enter 4 times at the end of my letter to leave room for me to sign it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll go ahead and type your name, and that is our graduation letter. Now, all we need to do is simply just finish our merge. So we're going to go to the next step, which is to preview our letter. So I'll go from step 4 over to step 5. And you can see as you click through each letter up here in the top right, through each recipient, the letter changes based on who the recipient is. We want to make sure our spelling and grammar is correct. If, for instance, San Diego is not capitalized, you want to make sure you go back and change that. For this assignment, you're going to turn in 3 things. You are going to turn in recipient number 2, Mike Jones. So you'll navigate to find that recipient, go File, print that off. Second, you need to show that you used the field codes. So what we're going to do is go back to step number 4, select your mailings tab, and in the write and insert fields group, you're going to have something that shows highlight merge fields. So you'll go ahead and click on that as well. You can also print this off to show that you used those codes. The third and final thing that you're going to print that is already set up and ready to go is your data source. So you'll print this off, make sure it fits in one page and follows all of those page setup options that we talked about in our Excel unit. In total, you have 3 things to turn in: the letter Mike Jones, the letter showing the field codes, and your data source. Staple those all together and put them in the bin.